Hi again, we're down to the last number. So this is number 6. The figure shows a rectangular box with the following dimensions. So this is the box with dimensions 5. The height is 5, the length is 12, and the width is 9. This problem is actually an application of Pythagoras or Pythagorean theorem. The first that we need to calculate is the value of AC. Okay, so we want to find this AC knowing that this side is 9, this is 12, and this is 5. Now the key in solving this problem is to recognize that you can form right triangles from the figure. So although it is not indicated that the angles here are 90 degrees, since this is a rectangular box, this is 90 degrees, for example, this is 90 degrees, the one here is also 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. There are a lot of 90 degrees in this box. Okay, so if we're looking for AC, we need to consider a triangle containing the side AC. Okay, and we can have like look at possible options. I can see a triangle here. This is a triangle, and note this is a rectangle, although in the figure it looks like it's slanted, but since this is a rectangular box, this must be 90 degrees. Okay, now I know this side. This is 9 centimeters. Do I know this side? Okay, if you look at it, yes, this is 12, and this side is equal to this side, so this side must be equal to 12 centimeters. Now, so from the figure, you lift this triangle, meaning you make a copy of this triangle, so just make it a standing triangle. So this is your 90 degrees, this is your 90 degrees, the 9 centimeters, this is your 9 centimeters, and this side, so note the sides connected to the 90 degrees are this side and this side. So if this is the 9 centimeters, this must be the 12 centimeters. Okay, so this side is actually your AC. Okay, from the 9 rather, this is the A and this is the C. So since we're coming from the 9, so this is the 9 centimeters. So 9 centimeters, so following the 9 centimeters, this should be the A. So finding the value of AC, this is a right triangle, so we just have to apply the Pythagorean theorem. So the Pythagorean theorem says side A squared plus side B squared is always equal to the square of the hypotenuse C. So if these are the two sides, A and B, so I can have 9 squared plus 12 squared is equal to, let's say this is the hypotenuse, so this is missing x squared. So 9 squared is 81, 12 squared is 144, equal to x squared. If we add 81 and 144, this will give you 225 equals x squared. So to find the value of x must be the square root of 225. Actually, this is plus or minus, but we're measuring a length, so we can only consider the positive number. So this must be the square root of 225 is 15. So the measure of this side is equal to 15. Now, if you're familiar with a 3, 4, 5 triangle, this is actually a multiple of this. So if some of you were able to recognize it, this is 3 times 3, this is 3 times 3, this is 3 times 4. So the third side must be 3 times 5, and that will give you 15. Okay, so for those who can recognize that this is just a multiple of a 3, 4, 5 triangle, you can easily get this side. But if you want to use the complete solution, then you apply the Pythagoras theorem and then put the corresponding numbers, solve the equation, then you will arrive at the correct answer. Okay, so I will be doing the solution to letter B on the next video.